Okay, so this is the fourth in our series of challenges to build a mobile version of our CloudSpokes website. Now we're doing this in a rapid iteration rate. We're going to be doing what we call Rolling Thunder challenges, where we let a challenge run for 2 days, we judge the submissions right away, and then we launch the next in a series of challenges to build out some more functionality. This is the fourth one. The first two were a design and wireframe challenge. The last challenge was one to build out the homepage with jQuery Mobile, and we got some really good results back on that. This one is a challenge to build out the challenges page. So essentially how you find challenges on the mobile version for CloudSpokes, maybe search for open or closed or recently completed, and do some filtering. So we got together as a team, and it's getting harder and harder to judge these submissions because we like some of the aspects of each one of them. So what we'll do is we'll actually judge a winner for these design portions of it, and then we'll kind of get a mock-up of what we want the final version to look like, and we'll go ahead and we will put that out eventually to build the whole application. So here's some of the submissions that we received from this, and they're really difficult to judge. So I kind of got this down to a mobile version so you can look at how it looks. So this is actually, I think it says Paul Kolobich's. Let me get it right here, I'm sorry. This is Ramiki's submission. This is really clean and easy to view. It basically looks just like our homepage. The name, some of the information about what the categories were, how much, and how many days before it's due. So that was I really like this one. It's very clean, easy to look, easy to use. Got the search right in there, so it was really cool. The next one here, this one was, let's see, who was this one? This is Ritesh's. This one was actually really neat because they had a lot of selections on how to find your challenges. So it was a really cool number of filter criteria. So you could pop this up and say, I want something that ended in this month, and I'm looking for 2012, and I want some of the prize amount between $2,000 and $3,000, and then I want to get, I just want to have Amazon, and I want to have Apex. So that was pretty cool. There's a lot of different things you can do on here. And then you can, I'm not sure how this works here, maybe a number of members that were part of this challenge, and then you would do a search. So that's really cool. I really like the way he did that. The next one here, this is Kobolich's submission, and I like the wisdom. This is clean also, very nice. It clearly states out how much each challenge is. It allows you to click on this here to go to the details of it, and of course you can filter this also. So it's really cool. I like this one. And then let's see, we have, this was, I think this is Elfong J's, and this was kind of neat. You come in here, and it's very compact. So when you load the page, you get just, I guess, the challenges that are currently listed, and then you can click this button right here to get a criteria selection. So you can do search by different keywords. You can also choose different ones here, and then you can sort by title, start date, or due date. So that was kind of neat. And then of course it has the other challenge information down here too. So I liked how he did that. It's not, I'm not sure if I would search for multiple categories, maybe just one, I'm not sure. But I do like how he can sort the results by certain things here. That's really neat. Now this is Tailsforce one. I really like the way Tailsforce did his here. He has a lot of different criteria, and we'll probably roll some of this part into the final submission. He's got where you can sort by title, due date, start date, prize money, members. You can look at different categories here, challenges. You can look at recently completed, recently closed, all kinds of cool. This was the first I looked at. This was really neat. I like the way he did this with different criteria here. It kind of set the bar for what we're looking for, and then of course you can do these by different criteria on the side here. So that was really cool. And then we really like this one right here. We had a hard time picking the winner here. This one's very compact. It allows you to search for challenges. And then you can also filter by start date, which is neat, by title. You can show open or close. So that was really cool. And we like the way that he had the title right here, and he separated things out really easily to see. So this is one of our favorite ones we had also. We really like this submission, and we had a lot of discussions on which one was the best, that we liked the best in here. But we like, again, a lot of ideas from different ones here. And then the last one was, this is Justin Lau's, and this by far was the best, we thought. So you can come here and you can see all the open ones and closed ones. And it's kind of neat because you notice that when you choose here, the selection criteria will stay that way. So it keeps that state across. So completed, get closed, and then you get open by Ruby. So that's kind of neat. It keeps that state. And then you can go down here and you can see all the different challenges that are open when they completed on, if it was a completed challenge, If it's open, you can see when it's due, how many people are registered for it, which is kind of neat. Prize money, which time's left, and that one's really cool. That one's really cool. He's actually, I didn't notice this now, but he actually grouped it. So here's ones that are closing today, ones that are due in one day. So there's 3 due in one day, and there's 2 due in 2 days. So that's really cool. And how many people are registered for that. So that's cool. And I believe the search criteria is really neat also. So you can pop that up, and you can search for whatever mobile. And then you could say I want to search for closed challenges, and you can hit search. Of course, it doesn't work because it's all mocked up. So we thought that was the one that was the best one. We really liked how he implemented the challenge search ideas and how he grouped these together, which I just noticed that right now by different criteria. So that's some of the feedback of the submissions we got for this 4th in our series of challenges to build our CloudSpokes mobile website.